you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, aloha, and if you are an oldie, mwah, mwah, mwah. My name is Tian and I am a lifestyle and events YouTuber. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So it's another day of Vlogmas and I am excited about today's video. I'm going to be decorating the house today. Nothing too serious. I'm using my decorations from last year. I figured out that I still have enough decorations to pull off a pretty decent decoration, right? And of course my tree, lights, some tinsels and a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, so that's what I'm getting onto today. So ensure that you stick around for what I'm able to do with my decorations, right? So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications as well. I will see you.